Hi guys, this is the Newly Bros. I'm Kenny, and what's that sound?
Come down.
Where's Jordan? But I'm Kenny from the Newly Bros, and today we are about to ride EJ's motorcycles.
What?
And do an interview. First, we are going to do an
Dang,
interview.
why are you so close? Alright.
An interview. First, okay, so he's in first most of the time. Second, but he's never in third, never in fourth, never in fifth, never in sixth, never in seventh, never in eighth, never in ninth.
Unless it's a bike that I haven't raced before, I'll probably get like top 5.
So, wait. What is that sound still? I'm gonna go check it out.
Your eyes are going to be on this cone right here. I'm going to be here. And I'm looking for your eyes. Okay? You're going to go around me. Nice and slow.
If EJ's in the garage,
Please don't come down.
then who is he?
Make sure you stop. You got me? Alright, let's go. Watch out, watch out. He's going to do a circle. He's going to try a circle drill. Come on. Kenny, step back here. He's trying to circle drill. Good.
Who is he?
Let's complete the circle. Good job. You just finished your first circle drill. Look at you. Look at that. All right. Yep. Keep your eyes here. Keep your eyes here. Wherever your eyes are at, that's where you're gonna go. Get to it. Get to it. Good. 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 Turn. Good job. Good job. All right. Stop. How'd that feel? A little crazy, a little weird.
Okay, EJ. If you're right there, then who are you?
Oh, you got the EJ26 on the back? Okay, I didn't see that. I only saw the front. All right.
And who are you, Mister? Dang.
Jordan. Say it louder and look at the camera. Jordan.
Wait, that's Jordan? If he's riding the motorcycle, then I must be too. 'Cause whatever he does, I can too. Well, that's what I want to prove. But I'm practicing on one thing he can do, which is this. My mom hates me doing that. Isn't that right?
Yes, very much.
So right now, Jordan's riding, EJ riding, and I'm going to ride.
So look, you can hit the button. You can see where it's at.
So yeah. But we're both gonna use the same bike though.
Go suit up and all that stuff. You're gonna have to show exactly what. All right, let's do it again.
And go.
Let's see your circle drill. Out the way. Out the way. Good. 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 Okay. Stop. Now, throttle. Find a nice, smooth. Place for the throttle. Doing this.
You look like a monkey like that.
Gonna make brake practice. Once you get faster.
No, I mean like putting it on.
See, that's how I was stretching my leathers yesterday when I was
You're like,
Yeah, there you go. He's trying to break his what is he doing? He's trying to break his leathers in. Find a good, comfortable spot.
you got a Dainese suit.
Watch out.
You got a Dainese. So yeah, but
I tried one on
At least
yesterday.
he's
That's
breaking
what
it in.
I gotta get one. I got some old
Look at
leathers.
that.
They don't fit right.
Cotton
I need them
candy.
tight and snug.
26.
Okay. All right. You guys say you
Spiky
want
hair.
coachable. Woo! Not for me. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, parents suck.
EJ 26.
Yeah, hurry up.
I know it's on the butt, but I don't know why every cool thing is on the butt, like on racers, like,
Is your brother doing the circle jerk?
yeah. And like on Russie, the doctor sign is on his butt. Why does everything has to be on the butt?
So, you know when we watch Kenny, then we watch the videos on the races, and they got the cameras behind them.
That's what you see. Remember we talked about advertising and marketing?
Yeah.
That's why.
No, he won't listen to us. So that's cool. Appreciate it.
And there he goes. Down the stage. Down the stage. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Why you have the
Oh! And Jordan wins.
Good job. Let's see. Let's take a photo with it. Kenny, take a photo with it. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. We got Mr. Russell here too. Well, you're in our photo too. We'll get EJ when he comes back out. Yeah, that's why. I got it on video. You know how to work your phone? There you go. All right.
Hold
Hold on, one more. Okay.
Okay.
Now, ready? All right, so. Okay.
Bam, 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 bam.
Go.
Now let's go interview the EJ. This is your interview, EJ. So, EJ. He straight up ignored me, bro. He did me dirty.
Okay. So that left, your right knee. Drive it right into the tank.
He did me dirty. And right now I'm spying on him.
Pass me my helmet.
Yes, sir. All right. Let's go.
You need help?
Nope.
You're good?
Step right over. Good. Circle. Nope. Focus here. Focus here. Keep going. Find that happy spot with the throttle. Good. Right here. Don't look at my eyeball. Right here. Don't start looking around. Right here. Good. 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 Focus. Focus. Good. Good. Stop. You ready?
I need help with my glove.
Come here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
How you feel?
Wait, I was good.
Is this in?
Almost. Okay, so they're doing it.
Take a break. Because you're probably
Okay.
a little bit dizzy.
Wow. Training. Who knew it could be cold? Oh, he's actually going around more than one cone because he used to only go around
Dizzy, aren't we?
that cone. Okay.
Okay. Kenny, stay right there. Yep, right there. Don't move.
He's gonna circle me. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, you can't wear those. His fingers are too short. All right, go ahead.
Oh man.
Yeah, you stay right there. Okay, we're gonna practice what we did yesterday. Okay. Visor down. Visor down. Thank you. Don't move, okay? Don't freak out or anything. Just stay there.
Oh man. I can't.
You want one of those down, huh?
What?
You want one of those down, huh?
Yeah.
There he comes again.
No, he's. There he goes.
Sit down, sit down. Good. All right, who's up? Oh my goodness.
I think I know. Why me?
And everything.
Just
All right, and then when I tell you to move your body into it, you go ahead and do that. Okay? I want George.
into what?
Like just go right into it. This way. Okay, just hold it. Don't watch it there. So that's what you're doing. Going around nice and slow. Like how you find a comfortable spot to do some of that. That's it. All right, Jack. That's good.
No. Why?
You gotta go around the other way, right? Yeah. Go around the other way.
Good. Okay. Well,
All right.
hope he doesn't have.
And like, don't rush.
No, 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 no. Please don't go around me.
Try to go a little faster. Be comfortable.
Not go around. He's a professional.
Well, I mean, both sides, to the left and right. Katie, you're gonna want to be. There you go. There you go.
No, he was telling me, he was like, I cracked my elbow. I was like, what?
There you go. Good.
And just, so relax. Just
You know
relax.
what's crazy? So
Have
like
fun.
you go into like the motorcycle groups and you're like,
How was it?
"Oh, my kid can drag me an elbow. What can you do?
For me, it was scary because
It's terrible.
your knee. Your knee.
Okay. Let's see.
I felt like your knee was gonna just hit my foot. But
Which
why?
one?
But I don't know why I was scared because you're a professional.
There you go. Go.
It's on you.
Seems like you having a lot of fun, eh?
I mean, that's the most important one I've done.
And there he goes.
Control and throttle.
Wish I could zoom. Not like zoom, like zoom.
Third gear, stop.
That would have been me. Just
Thank you.
I know if I didn't move over here.
Good man,
That would have been me.
comfortable.
All right, ready?
You look super relaxed.
Next I'm gonna do it. So who's gonna be the cameraman?
You know, that guy over there. So you're gonna hold on, okay? Your body is just like that. Boom. And then this thing is gonna come out. All right? So here we go. Put your foot up, foot up, foot up, foot up. All right, put your knee out. Stick your knee out. Good. Good. Hey, look at me. Stick your knee all the way out. Good. Good, good, good. All right, come on, let's go. Lean it over a little bit, get a little bit faster. A little bit faster, stick your knee out.
Oh, you're all right. You're good. You're good. You're
Drag
good.
knee for the first time.
I saw it. You put your knee down that time. All right, you're good. You're good. Pick the bike up.
No.
No, you're good. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. You're good. Your knee touched the ground.
Does anything hurt?
That's good. Your knee touched the ground.
There's video of you drag your knee for the first time.
Yes. Yes.
You good?
You got your knee on the ground. That's pretty good.
When you're going down, and you know you're going down, you just let it go down. Do not try to save it. When you try to save it, it's a lot more pain. Okay? Lean over a little bit more. All right, stop. If you get dizzy and you can't catch it, always stop. Reset a little bit. Take that breath. Hold on. Take that breath. Take a deep breath. Get your body calm. Okay? You want to get your heart rate down. And then what you want to do, get back into it. You want to get back into a wide circle. And then eventually bring it closer. Okay? Look out, Ethan. Whenever you're ready. Alright, stick that knee out. Alright, plan that happy space with the gas. You want a little bit more. You want a little bit more than that. A little bit more than that. Good. Alright, there you go. Now stick your knee out. Alright. Lean that bike over. Give it a little bit more gas. Good.
Look, look, look. Good, 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 good.
No, stop.
That's good. That's good. But you got to keep moving. You're good. You did good. You just got to keep it moving.
You okay?
He's good.
So-
He's good.
Life lesson, okay?
Never go.
If the bike is like this, grabbing a brake, you're gonna lock the front, you're gonna tuck the front, you're gonna fall over, okay? At times it feels like you're not doing good. You're doing excellent,
Yeah.
okay? You actually got a full circle with your knee on the ground.
For the first time to ever
Okay.
get out here doing that, that's good. That's really good.
Not easy. He makes it look easy because I yelled at him.
But he knows everything. Look,
For years. He yelled at me.
remember we always talk about hard work, the work that you got to put in? He's out here a lot putting the work.